So guys, as we are done with the groove, footwork and combination part, so now moving on to routine part. It's a very small routine. I've tried to combine all the steps and grooves which we have done already in previous videos. Alright, so starting with the routine. Okay, so first step is a little different, but again very simple. It's a slide. Okay, very simple. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide. I'm sliding on my right leg and my left leg is following my right leg. Alright, let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide. Now with slide, you can use your hands, you can improvise with your hands. You can keep it close, you can keep it up, or you can just keep it on your waist. Okay, whatever you want. Right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, now once you finish your slide, you do pas de bourrée with the left leg, which is out. Okay, so you go 1 and 2. All right, once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, now let's do this from the top, from the slide. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, step, step, step. Okay, once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, step, step, step. Good, simple, easy. Okay, so moving on from here, my weight is on my left leg. I'll start the same step. I'll start with the same step, pas de bourrée, from the right leg, but with double tap. We have already done this, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and step, step. Alright, so we finished here. Step, step, step. After here, you go 1 and step, step. Alright, so let's start from the top again, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, step, 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 step. Okay, let's try this once again, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, step, 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 step. So I'll just show you the direction change and the placement of the feet. Okay, so we finish double tap here. We start with the left leg chase. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So basically I took one full turn with chase and pas de bourrée. Okay, so watch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, half, 2, change, 1, change, step, 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 front. Easy peasy. Okay, so let's try to do this combination from the top, which is slide, till the last pas de bourrée. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7.